Written instructions for changing the hand on the Hager 3800 mortise lock are shown on the label located on the lock body. First, reverse the latch bolt by pulling firmly and extending the latch bolt from the lock case. Turn the latch bolt to the opposite direction. Change the locking side by removing the screw shown. And reinstalling the screw on the opposite side of the case. The screw should be located on the non-locking side of the lock. Finally, check that handing is correct.